There's a turkey outside, man.
No.
There's a turkey. He's right next to the house. Scare him away. He's right there. Look at him. He's like, hey, baby. Go look out the window.
No. Oh my God, no.
He's right there. Look.
Oh my God. Stop.
Madeline, he's right there. He's right outside the house.
Fuck you. Stop it. Stop. No.
You want to look at him?
No. Fuck you. Go away.
Where is he? Where is the turkey? Nuh-uh, he's right here.
Nuh-uh, he's right there.
He's right there.
Stay on the
He's
house.
right outside the window. No, I'm gonna leave him there.
No, please, come on. Max, get the turkey. You don't understand. You're gonna panic, Natalie.
There's a turkey outside your window, Madeline. What are you gonna do?
Don't be mean. Shut it off.